So after the disaster with the Sunshine Girls against lowly Barbados, we're now hearing one bugger horse dead and cow fat. Listen.
We need to work on our passing, keeping ball, keeping it safe. We need to work on that. We also need to do a little bit more work in terms of how we feed into our lovely tall shooter when she's there. So we haven't had the tall shooter all the time. We borrowed her from the under-21s. We've been practicing for the last couple of weeks, but we obviously needed more time to practice those long passes into the shooter.
We have a very young team. That is Barbados' strong team. If we were supposed to have our strong team, that is what persons don't understand. If we were supposed to have our strong team, I mean, we would beat them easily, but we have quite a number of under-21 players.
Excuses, excuses, excuses. It's Barbados beat me. It's not Australia. Netball Jamaica and the coach and the players need to take the heat. And look, I was all for giving this new coach a chance to test her new methods and philosophy. That is why when she runway some of the players out of the squad for insubordination, I was in full support of the coach. Is she coach the team and not the players? But when the coach's philosophy and strategies start resulting in Barbados beating Jamaica in netball, the coach cannot escape the judgment. Neither can the federation for hiring this coach. In no language, culture, or context, Barbados is supposed to have beat Jamaica in a netball. That means you're back where the netball go. And maybe Netball Jamaica needs to rethink their decision of using this fresh foot, inexperienced coach and replace her ASAP. And short of that, the coach herself needs to look into herself and her style and her fascination with swimming. Coach, the swimming thing not working.